Namaste and welcome to our Alpha Mind Power YouTube channel. Today I am going to speak about our next upcoming online class, which is Sanjeevani. The word Sanjeevani means a herb. It's the name of a herb, but actually the meaning of that word is healing or good health. That is why this name for this class. This class is all about healing only. How to heal yourselves, how to get rid of negative emotions which cause diseases, etc. Because today again and again I see a lot of men and women coming for counseling, for online counseling which I do. They have some fear that they might fall sick. Once there was a lady, I'm still meeting her every now and then. She says, I'm so scared that I will get cancer. When you ask her why, then the reason is that some auntie in her family, some aunt had cancer and she passed away, and then somebody else also got cancer, but that person is still there undergoing treatment. So with all these inputs, there is so much fear in the mind that she says, I'm sure it will happen to me. And this is not just one person. I've seen so many people like this. There was another young man around 30-35 only, not very old also. He's working in a very good concern. Now he met me for the online counseling, and he said, I have this great fear that something will go wrong with my health. And every month he goes for a checkup. Every month he checks his blood, he does his BP, and then his sugar, everything, whatever has to be done. So the doctors keep telling him, why do you want to do it again and again? You are completely all right, everything is normal. But he says, I am not normal, because once I go for the checkup, I get the reports and the doctor tells me that everything is okay, then I am all right for maybe 3-4 days, maximum 1 week. And after that, he says, again the fear starts coming in. Every night I am lying awake wondering what is going to happen to me. Will I get cancer? Will I get this? Will I get that? Or something or the other. So it is a real misery to live like that with fear. Fear is a very negative energy. And because of fear, because of this kind of fear, some people bring it upon themselves. They are afraid they might fall sick, but they fall sick only because of those thoughts. And many times I have seen people asking me that, I was thinking like this, I had so much anger in my mind, and then I felt sick completely. 1 whole week I was bedridden. Then slowly I kind of resolved it within myself, and once I said, let it be, let anything happen, I'm not going to bother, I found that I was healing. This is an experience which many people have had. When you have these emotions, it can be anger, hatred, sometimes jealousy, anything, any negative emotion towards somebody, and when that emotion intensifies, it breaks down your energy, it breaks down your immunity level and causes diseases, or at least it paves way for diseases to happen. Now in this Sanjeevani class, what we will do is, first of all, we'll talk about the different kinds of blockages which we have in our mind emotionally, which do not allow us to live a healthy life. It can be even anger. You may be surprised that anger can make you sick, but when a person is very angry, they refuse to look after themselves. I've come across so many people like that. The wife is very sick, she's put on weight, she has a lot of problems, the husband brings her to me, and when I ask her, he says she's all the time falling sick, she's getting bedridden, and children are not taken care of, it's very difficult for me. When I ask that lady, all her anger with her husband comes out, and she says, when he's not listening to me, why should I listen to him? Why should I go on a diet? Why should I go to the gym? Why should I do walking? All those questions. So anger can sometimes make you deny yourself the comfort of good health also. And then fear, of course, as I mentioned earlier, fear can cause a lot of diseases. And similarly, there can also be attention seeking. I've come across so many people who bring their elderly parents for counseling, and it turns out that the parents become lonely, especially if it's a single parent and the son or daughter is somewhere away abroad, working or living there, settled there. The person here feels so much left out that every now and then they wish they are sick, because when they are sick, the son or daughter will have to anyway call and inquire. Or if they are in the same town nearby, then if the parent falls sick, the son or daughter has to come and see them. So every now and then they kind of create the situation where they fall sick. And actually, if you do a test, if you do some scan or anything, nothing will be wrong with them. I've met so many people like that. They have this feeling in their mind, if I am sick, people will come and see me, they pay attention to me, otherwise they don't bother about me. So sometimes even this can pave way for diseases. So in the class we discuss all the different kinds of emotions, different kinds of situations which can make a person invite illness, and then we do a meditation to get rid of all these emotions. That is the most important thing. It's a very powerful meditation, and by following that meditation in the class, people really get rid of so many negative emotions. Now once the mind has been cleared like that, then we start the healing. In the healing process, first we learn some mantras. I give some simple mantras which you can chant, which have a great healing power. So we chant those mantras. That itself gives a very good healing. And after that we have the Sanjeevani meditation. And believe me, the Sanjeevani meditation is a beautiful meditation. You will experience a very different energy, Sanjeevani Shakti, I call it. And this energy I received when I was first preparing for this class, first time. So it's a very powerful healing energy. That energy flows through you, and you just have to listen to that meditation. The audio will be given to you in both English and Tamil, so you can follow anyone. And when you listen to it every day, automatically it's like thanking every part of your body, every organ in your body, and making it receive the Sanjeevani Shakti. So the Sanjeevani Shakti rejuvenates every organ in your body. So it is not only giving you a healing, it also preempts any disease. Maybe there is a possibility of some disease coming in, maybe it's already in your aura. But when you practice Sanjeevani, many people have told me that my immunity seems to have improved. So how does it work? It works because that energy is so powerful. When it reaches your different parts of your body and the cells and chakras, it creates a kind of protective layer and does not allow any disease energy to come inside easily. So that is there. And we also do a meditation for specific healing. Sanjeevani is a general healing, and at the end of the meditation we also pass on the Sanjeevani energy to any part of the body which requires some specific healing. So in that meditation, healing is there. Other than that, if you need to heal somebody else or heal yourself for some particular problem in the body, for some particular discomfort we can say, then also how to do the healing in Alpha, that meditation also is there in the class. So with all this class itself gives a wonderful healing. In fact, few years ago, when I first started Sanjeevani class, we did an aura scan for every participant before the class and after the class. We did it over 2 weekends because there were too many people and we didn't have a big enough hall. And adding all the people, we had some 230 people in the 2 weekends. And I had invited somebody, I had called somebody, a professional, to do the aura scan with their equipment, with the fingerprints. So the person who did the aura scanning, that company, they were so amazed. They said in the morning, there are so many breaks in the auras of the people. But in the evening after the class, after whatever you did in the class, they said, evening as they were going, we scanned each and everyone's aura. And so many of those openings had closed up. When the aura is properly closed around your body, energy doesn't leak out, negativity doesn't come in so easily, so you don't fall sick. Your immunity remains good. But when there are breaks in the aura, then energy leaks out. And also negative energy can come inside, and disease is a negative energy. So we have seen how this Sanjeevani class within a few hours can create a beautiful change in the aura of a person and give a wonderful healing as well. So this is a nice, very beautiful class. Today we all know that health is wealth. We all have seen it, we have understood it. How much ever money we have, how much ever power we have, only if you are healthy you can enjoy what you have. So health is wealth today. Everything else is secondary. And our Sanjeevani class can give you that particular energy which can give you a beautiful healing. People who could not sleep, they listen to Sanjeevani meditation and they fall asleep very easily. It's very helpful to fall asleep because it takes you to a very deep level. So some people who were bedridden used to listen to it lying down, and they have recovered completely. So that way we have seen lot of good healings also. So I invite you to participate in our online class Sanjeevani, which is coming up shortly. You can contact us for the details. Wherever you are, you can attend. It's a 3.5 hours class. So let us meet in the class. And health is wealth. Keep remembering that.